Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to calculate the resistance of a general resistor. Before calculation, we will discuss the basic introduction of resistor, types of resistor and resistor code. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe and also like and share the video. Resistor, the main purpose of resistor is to reduce the current flow and to lower the voltage in any particular portion of the circuit. The SI unit of resistor is ohm and its symbol is shown here. We can combine two or more than two resistors either in series or in parallel. If we combine them in series, then the current flowing through all the resistors is the same, and to calculate the equivalence resistance of all the individual resistance, we use this formula. This is the equivalence resistance and these are the resistance of individual resistor. In this case, the equivalent resistance will be greater than the all individual resistance. Second type of or combination is resistors in parallel. In resistors in parallel, the same voltage at their terminal, and to find the equivalent resistance of all the individual resistances, we apply this formula: 1 upon R total equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 up to 1 upon Rn, total number of all individual resistors. There are some applications of resistors. In wire wound resistors, find application where balanced current control, high sensitivity and accurate measurement are required, like in shunt with ampere meter. In photoresistor, find application in flame detectors, burglar alarm, in photographic devices, etc. Resistors are used for controlling temperature and voltmeter. Resistors are used in digital multimeter, amplifiers, telecommunication and oscillator. They are also used in modulators, demodulators and transmitters. So these are the some applications of general resistors or other resistors. Resistors and different symbols of resistors are shown in this picture. The left side window shows the old IEEE symbols of resistor general symbol, and this is trimeter, potentiometer, thermistor and rheostat and photo resistors. The new symbol of all these resistors are shown in the right side. This is the IEEE new symbol. For general resistor, we use this one. In trimer, we use this one instead of this. Left side window shows the old symbol and the right side window shows the new symbol of IEEE. Potentiometer is shown by this, and for this thermistor we use this one symbol. For rheostat we use this one, and for photo resistor we use this one, that is LDR. There are different types of resistors. First is linear resistor. Second one is non-linear resistors. In linear resistors, we use two types of resistor: fixed resistors, variable resistors. This variable resistors is further divided into potentiometer, rheostat and trimer resistors. And this fixed resistors is also divided into different parts. That is carbon composition, wire wound resistor, thick film resistors and thin film resistors. Thick film resistors is further divided into different type of resistor, that is shown here. Also thin film resistor is divided into two parts. This non-linear resistors is divided into different form, like thermistor, photoresistors, varistor resistors and surface mount resistor. So these are the types of resistors that are used in our electronics field. I have taken this information from this site. For details you can use this site. Resistors on the basis of number of bands. How many different colors are used on that resistor is known as a band. This is 4 band resistor. In this resistor there are 4 different colors, that is written here: 1, 2, 3 and 4. In 5 band registers there are 5 different colors, that is shown by integer number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there is one more another type of register, that is 6 band registers. In 6 band registers there are 6 different colors. Each color is known as a band. So this is called 4 band register, this one is called 5 band register, and this is called 6 band registers. To find the resistance of any register, we use register code, and there are 2 different register code. One is to calculate the resistance of 4 and 5 band register. To calculate the 4 and 5 band register, we use this one color. In this color code there are 4 different columns. First is the name of color, and what is the value in digit is shown in second column, and third one column shows the multiplier, and last one is used for tolerance. This color is used in fourth band, then it is used for tolerance. The second register code is for 6 band register. In 6 band registers there are 7 different columns. First column shows the name of color, and second column is used for first band, that is first color of the register. Third column is used for second band. Fourth column is used for third band to calculate the digit. Fourth column is used for multiplier. Fifth is used for tolerance, but last one is used to calculate the temperature coefficient. Unit of this temperature coefficient is parts per million. Parts per million. How we will calculate the resistance of any resistors? I have taken one example to calculate the resistance of 4 band resistors. To calculate the resistance of this 4 band resistor, I will use this color code and register code, and I have taken one resistor here. In this register there are 4 different bands: first, second, third and fourth color. First color is brown, so the brown is the value of brown in digit column has 1, and second column band is black, and the digit value of black is shown 0, and third one is yellow, that is used for multiplier. So in multiplier column it has 10 to the power 4, and last band is gold band, and it shows the tolerance of the resistors, and the value of this gold is given in this table 5%. This 5% is used here. Yellow 10 to the power 4 I have taken from this place, and the value of 0 is taken from this place, and the value of brown is taken from in this 4 band color. First 2 from left to right. First 2 color is used for digit. Third color or third band is used for multiplier. Fourth color or band is used for tolerance. How we will calculate this value? To calculate this value, first we use the digit value of first color. The digit value of this first color is 1, and the digit value of this second color is 0, so it becomes 10, and third column is multiplier, so I multiply this value or these digits with its multiplier 10 to the power 4. Resistance of this will be equal to 1, 0 and 4 more 0 ohm. It means it has 1 lakh ohm. And the last color code is used for tolerance. This shows the perfectness of our resistor. How it is perfect? Since in manufacturing there is some error, so due to that error, the exact resistance value may be either increase or decrease. How much it will increase or decrease, that is denoted by tolerance, and it is due to manufacturing defect. This 5% means in 100 there is 5% either plus or minus. 5% of this value, we will get 5% of this value. 5 into 100, we cancel out these two, so we will get 5000. It means this register, the range of this register will be 1 0 5 0 0 0, 1,05,000 to 95000. Its maximum resistance will be 1,05,000 and minimum resistance will be 95,000 ohm. So this tolerance shows the highest and minimum, means highest and lowest resistance value of this resistor due to manufacturing defect. So these are the different calculation. I have shown this calculation in textual form. This one is due to this first color from digit, and second one is from this 0, and this third is multiplier, and this 5% from fourth band. That shows the tolerance. It means plus minus, either plus or minus 5%. So the calculation of this value is this much. The 5% tolerance of this value is 5,000. So its range becomes from 95,000 ohm to 1,05,000. Thus we can calculate this way. We can calculate the resistance of given resistors. We always take the color code from left to right, and right portion is always at the last place of this place, and the gap between these two colors will be higher than the gap between this. So this indicates the right side portion. I have taken another example to find the resistance of 4-band resistor. Of course, first two colors, yellow and blue, these two colors is used for digit, and this third color brown is used for multiplier, and fourth color gold is used for tolerance. So if we take the value of all these bands, the digit value of yellow is shown here 4, I have written here, and the digit value of this blue is 6, that is shown here. This one, this 4 I have shown here, and this 6 is written for second band. For third color, that is brown, and third color is used for multiplier. So I use this third column from register code, and the value of this brown in third column is 10 to the power 1. So this 10 to the power 1 is shown here. Last color is gold, and the value of gold in fourth column, tolerance is 5%. I have written here. Now we try to calculate the value of this resistor. To calculate the value of resistor, first two bands are used for digit. So the value of yellow is 4, so I use 4, and the value of blue is 6, so 6 for digit, and the third value of multiplier is 10 to the power 1, so I write here 10 to the power 1. If we calculate this value, then we get 460 ohm. And fourth band is used for tolerance. The tolerance is 5%. It means in 100 there will be 5 ohm difference. If the value of this is 100, then there will be 5 ohms more or either 5% less. So the 5% of this value will be 5 into 460 divided by 100. This 0 0 cancel, 5 1, this is 2, so it becomes 23. It means the tolerance is plus minus 23 ohm. So this value, if we add this value in this value, so we get 483. This is the highest value, and lowest value will be, subtract this 23 from 460, then we get 734. It means its range is from 437 ohm to 483. This is the meaning of this tolerance. Similarly, you can calculate the tolerance of other resistors. Now I have shown the total calculation in textual form in this place. This 4 is due to this first color, this 6 is due to this second color, and due to third color the multiplier is 10 to the power 1, and due to fourth color the tolerance is plus minus 5. That I have shown the calculation, and its calculation is written. So this is about the 4-band resistor. Now we will move to the 5-band resistor. Take one example. If this resistor is shown here, 5 different colors are used. So red, first 3 colors or first 3 band is used for digit, fourth band or color is used for multiplier, and last one, fifth color is used for tolerance. So the value of this red in digit column has 2. The value of this red is 2. So this 2 is written here, and in second color it is green. So the value of green, that is 5, I have written here, and third color is blue. So the value of blue is 6. This 6 is written here, and fourth color violet is 7. At this place, this fourth is multiplier, so we will use this one value for violet, that is 10. This value must be 10, and last one is tolerance, and the color of this last is silver, so the tolerance is 10%. So this 10% is shown here. The final value of this will be right here: 2, green value 5, third value 6. So in 5-band resistor we use 3 digits for digit value, and this one is multiplied by this multiplier, that is 10, and then the tolerance is plus minus 10%. First we calculate this value, so this will be 2560 ohm. Now we calculate 10% of this value. If we calculate this 10%, then we get some value, and that value will be added for maximum range, and that value is also subtract from this value to get the minimum. I have shown here the actual calculation. Actually there is some error in this color code, and this error is actually here it is 10 to the power 7. So this value is 10 to the power 7, and actual calculation will be this much. The first value 2, second value 5, and third value 6. Multiplier is 10 to the power 7, so this value is written here, and fourth one is used for tolerance, that is 10%. First we find the value of this, and then we calculate the 10% of this value. This 10% of this value becomes 25.6 into 10 to the power 7 ohm. This value will be added in this value and subtracted. So its range will be 256 into 10 to the power 7 plus minus 25.6 into 10 to the power 7 ohm. So this is the calculation of 5-band resistors. In 4-band resistor we use first 2 leftmost band for digit, and in 5-band we use first 3 band for digits, and other 2 are as 4-band. So these are all about the 5-band resistors. Now we move to the calculation of 6-band resistor. For 6-band resistor we use this color, this resistor code, and I have taken here one resistor that has 6 different codes or 6 different colors. In this colors, the right one is identified with this help of separation. The last 2 colors are more separated than other 4 colors. So this is the right part of that resistors, and if it is right part, then we start the calculation of band from left. In left, first band is red, and the value of red in first band digit is 2. So this 2 is written here. Then second band is orange, and its value is 3. So this 3 is for second band it is 3. So these three. For first color we use this 2 for red here, and for second color we use this value, and for third color we use black this value in third place. So these three are used for digit purpose as 5-band registers, and fourth color is used for multiplier, and fifth color is used for tolerance. And one more feature is added here, temperature coefficient, and the unit of this temperature coefficient is parts per million per Kelvin or per degree Celsius. So actually this factor is used to find the resistance of resistor due to effect of temperature. If we increase 1 degree temperature either in degree Celsius or in per Kelvin, then it will reduce this much value, that is 10 parts per million will be increased from the actual resistance of this resistor. And if we decrease this one, then it will decrease the 10 part per million according to the per degree Kelvin and per degree Celsius. So let's move to the calculation, how we will calculate the value of this resistor. First 3 is used for digit, so the first value is 2, second is 3, so I write here 3, and third is 0, so I have written here. First 3 digits, first 3 bands or colors are used for digits, so I have written here 230 like 5-band resistor. Then fourth one is used as a multiplier. The multiplier value of this green is 10 to the power 5. So this value is 10 to the power 5. Right here 10 to the power 5. And this part per million is given here. Then tolerance is plus minus 0.1%. And last column is used for parts per million, that is the value of this blue. And the last column is, in last column it is a 10, so I have written here 10. So its parts per million is 10. It means the resistance of this resistor will increase if we increase the temperature by 1 degree Celsius or by 1 Kelvin. Actually the value of degree Celsius and per Kelvin are different starting value, but the actual ratio is the Kelvin value is 273, and if degree, the temperature of any resistor or any item is 10 degrees Celsius, then this will be equal to 2 to the power 83 Kelvin. If we increase it 1 degree, then we add this value in Kelvin, then we get 280. So this value is the 0 degree value. If the temperature is 0 degree, then its Kelvin value will be 273. If we write 10 degrees Celsius, this 10 will be added to this 273. If we increase 1 degree Celsius, then it becomes 10 to 11, and if we increase 1 per Kelvin, then it will becomes 283 to 284. So we can either degree Celsius or Kelvin at this place. So the calculation of this resistor is written here. The value of 2 is, the value of this first color is 2, so I have written here 2. Second color value is 3, so 3, and third is 0, so 0, and fourth one is multiplier, that is 10 to the power 5. This one is shown here, green value 5, the green has 10 to the power 5. This value is written here, and the tolerance is 0.1%, so tolerance is written here, and its sixth value or sixth band has 10 part per million per Kelvin. So if we calculate this value, first find the tolerance. First find the tolerance 0.1% of this value. Then we get 2.3 into 10 to the power 4 ohm. This is the tolerance value. This value will be added with this value. after adding 230 to 10 to the power 5 plus minus 2.3 into 10 to the power 4. If we add this value and subtract this value from this one, then we get the maximum and minimum range of this resistor. Now this maximum and minimum range will be either increased or decreased due to the temperature. If we increase 1 degree per Kelvin, then in 1 million it will increase the 10. If the value of this is 1 million, 10 ohm is increased in this, and if we decrease 1 degree Celsius or per Kelvin, then it will decrease by 10 ohms. So these are about the 6-band resistors, and here one more feature is added here, that is called temperature coefficients. Thank you.